You're looking at a 2020 Tesla Model S Long Range Plus all-wheel drive dual motor all-electric vehicle with 26,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded up. Actually, it comes fully loaded with every option except for ventilated seats and full self-driving. It does, however, come with base autopilot, and it is upgradable to full self-driving. It does have front trunk storage, which you'll see right here. Keyless entry, full factory warranty. VIN numbers right here. Premium leather interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated wipers, megaphone, backup camera, blind spot monitors, Netflix when you're parked. It's got 26,625 miles. CCS is enabled, so you can actually, if you get the adapter, you can charge it. Electrify America and all those places. HomeLink it comes with. The permanent magnet motor, so it can actually have true one pedal driving. It's a nice clean car. The EPA range was 402 miles new. I think currently it's getting about 375 right now at 100%, which is on par for its miles. Nice clean car, no issues. Still under full factory warranty. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. Thank you.